Hello, everybody. Welcome once again to another quantitative aptitude online training conducted by Seven Sense Talent Solution. Okay, let's see what are the topics we are going to cover today. These are the four topics we are going to cover today: statistics, linear equation, area and mensuration, HCF and LCM. First, let's start with statistics. Okay, now let's start with statistics. Okay, what do you mean by statistics? Statistic is a collecting of data and studying of data to provide information. That is called statistics. Okay, let's take an example that imagine there are 10 students, they have scored 67, 68. These are random numbers. Okay, these are the marks scored by 10 students. Okay, in this 67, 67, 67, it has repeated three times. Okay, then any other number is repeated? 86 and 86 as repeated two times. Right? Okay. This repetition, we call it as frequency. How many times the data occurs is called a frequency. Okay, let's move on to solve the problems. Okay. Find the mean for given observation 25543382126. These are the observation. First, we need to sum all these numbers and we have to divide by total number of observation. What is the sum of all these numbers? Tell me the sum of all this observation. The sum of all the observation is 50. We need to divide by total number of observation. How many numbers are there? 1, 2, 3. There are total 10 observations. So then what is the mean here? 5. The answer is 5. Mean is 5 here. Okay, let's move on to next one. In this, the data is given like 2, 5, 5, 4 number wise, right? But here they are given data in table. In this table, we need to find the mean. So what we have to do here? We have to multiply the marks obtained with number of students. We have to multiply 20 into 12 to get fx. Here number of students is denoted by f and marks obtained is denoted by x. So multiply this two and get the answer, and multiply for all the six obtained marks and divide by number of observation. Yeah, first one is right, Jivan. Second one, we have to multiply this 20 into 12. 20 marks is obtained by 12 students. That means 20 into 12, how much it is? It is 240, right? Give the answer for all the four. 30 into 7, it is 210. Then 35 into 13, it is 455. 42 into 10, it is 420. 55 into 8, it is 440. In this, we need to find mean. For that, we have to add all these numbers and divide by total number of observation. Here observation is total number of students. So what is the total number of students here? Add this 12, 7, 13, 10 and 8. What is total number of students here? It is 50, right? Okay. Add these numbers and divide by total number of 50. It is 50, right? Add these numbers and divide by total number of students. Add this number and tell me. By adding these all five numbers, we get fx value. Sum of fx is 1765. To find the mean value, we have to divide this fx, sum of fx, by total number of students. Divide by 50. That is 35.3. 35.3. This is the mean value. Any doubt in this? To find mean value, first we need to multiply with obtained marks with number of students. Then we have to add all the fx number and you have to divide by total number of students or total number of observation. Okay. Next, we'll move on to third one. Marks obtained by 40 students of class 9th A are given below. Find the mean marks obtained by the students. To find mean, here they have given class intervals and number of students, class marks. In previous question, they have given the marks, but here they did not give the exact marks, but they are given the intervals like zero between 0 to 20 marks. Five students have scored. Likewise, they have given the marks here 20 to 40. In interval wise, they have given the marks here. So we have to find class marks for individual. So here UL is upper limit, LL means lower limit, divide by 2. What is your upper limit in this row? 20 is a upper limit, 0 is a lower limit. Okay. So that 20 minus 0 divide by 2, we get 10, right? Okay. Same way do for other four rows. 40 minus 40 is the upper limit, 20 is the lower limit. Divide by 2. What is the answer? Till all the class marks. This is plus. Here, even here it is plus. Here upper limit plus lower limit, divide by 2. 60 by 2 it is 30. Same way, upper limit plus lower limit is 40 here, divide by 2. How much it is? It is 50. Same way, 80 plus 60 divide by 2. 80 plus 60 it is 140, divide by 2. We are getting 70. Your upper limit is 100 plus 80 is the lower limit, and we need to divide by 2 to get a class marks. So 180 by 2 it is 90. Here this 2, 10, 30, 50, 70, 90 are x value, and we have f value also. To find the mean, we have to multiply this f and x, then we have to sum the fx and divide by total number of observation. That is nothing but total number of students. Multiply this 5 and 10. 5 times it is 50. Then 8 30 is 8 into 30 it is how much? 240, right? Then 50 into 15. How much it is? How much it is? 15 into 50. It is 750, right? Okay. Then 70 into 10 it is 700. Then 90 into 2 it is 180. Sum all this. Sum of fx What is the value? What is sum of fx? Sum of fx, it is 1920. What is number of students, total number of students? How much it is? Total. It is 5 plus 8 plus 15 plus 10 plus 2. How much it is? It is 40. Right? Okay. To find the mean, what you have to do? We have to divide this 1920 by 40. That is 48. This 48 is a mean value. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Yes, 1920. Yes. Yes, Priya. Okay. We'll move on to next one. Try to solve for this one. Fourth one. Marks obtained by 400 students of class 9th in a school given below. Find the mean marks obtained by the students. So first we need to find this f. Mid value means between 0 to 20. What is the mid value? It is 10, right? Between 20 and 40, the mid value will be 30. Same way, here it is 60. Between 60 and 80, the mid value will be 70. And here it is 90. Any doubt in this? This fourth one is same as the third one, but we'll do in a different method. We can directly multiply with 50 into 10, 85 into 30, but these are big numbers. So instead of doing like that, we'll do, we'll try with another method. Okay. In this, the another method is called assume mean. Here we need to assume mean. In 10, 30, 50, 70, 90, we have to assume any one number as your mean. It will be called as assumed mean. Okay, Here I'm taking 50 as a assumed mean, but we can take 10, 30, 70, 19. You can take any of the number, but now I'm taking as 50 as my assumed mean. This is not the exact mean, but I'm taking 50 as a assumed mean. So what we have to do with this 50? We have to subtract with each number, like 10 minus 50, 30 minus 50, 50 minus 50, 70 minus 50, 90 minus 50. 10 minus 50, we are getting minus 40. Here, we are getting minus 20. Same way, here we are getting 0. 50 minus 50, it is 0. Then here we are getting 20. Here it is 40. Instead of taking 50, you can take any of this number. Then we have to multiply these x values with these values. We'll try now. Okay. Multiply this 50 into minus 40. How much will get? You have to answer me. Again, 85 into minus 20. 145 into 0. Then 90 into it is 20. 90 into 20. Then 30 into 40. Don't get confused. We are multiplying these x values with these mid values. Okay, what is 50 into minus 40? How much it is? How much it is? Tell me fast. It is minus 2000, right? Okay, 85 into minus 20. It is minus 1700. Then anything we multiply with 0, we get 0. 90 into 20, it is 30 into 40, it is. Okay. Now we have to add all these numbers. These are the fx value. These are fx value. That means we are multiplying with this number and this number. So these are fx value. The sum of fx is how much? We get minus 700, right? To find mean, what you have to do? We have to divide by this total number of student. They have given here the marks obtained by 400 student. That means this total is 400. We get Minus 700 by 400, we get minus 1.75, right? This is not our exact mean value, because here we are assumed that 50 is our mean value. So what we have to do, we have to add this with 50. Fifty plus minus 1.75. That means 50 minus 1.75. What is the answer? The final answer will be mean value. We should not stop the answer here, because here we have assumed 50 as our mean value. So we have to add the answer what we have got here with this assumed value. So answer will be, tell me the answer. 50 minus 1.75 will get 48.25. This is our exact mean value. This is our final mean value. Make a note of this. If you have any doubt, please ask me. We are moving to next one. Please make a note of this. We'll move to next one. There are similar questions based on this. If you have any doubt, please now ask now itself. Okay, we'll move on to next one. Same way, find the answer for this. First, we need to find the mid value. Then you have to assume a mean value. Then you have to multiply with assumed mean value answer with this number of workers. Then you have to add, you have to get the sum of fx. Then divide by total number of workers. Try to solve this. What is the mid value? Between 100 and 120, we are getting 110 as a mid value. Between 120 and 140, what is the mid value? It is 130. Here it is 150. Here it is 170. Same way, here it is 190. Here what we have to do, you have to assume any one number as your assumed mean value. Here I am taking this number as a assumed mean value. Assumed mean value. You can take 110 or 150 or 170, 190, any of this number you can take. But here I'm taking 130. You can try solving with by taking 110 or 150, any of this number. Here what you have to do, you have to minus with assumed mean value. Okay. What is our assumed mean value? Is 130, right? So minus everything. Here also you can do directly like 12 into 110, 14 into 130, but these are big digits. So instead of doing like that, we have making it small number. 130 minus 130. Here it is 150 minus 130. Again, here it is 170 by 130. Here 190 minus. Everywhere we are doing subtraction. Don't get confused. Tell me the value here. It is 110 minus 130. It is minus 20. And here it is minus, sorry, it is 0. Here it is 20. Here we are getting 40. And here it is 60. Any doubt in this? Okay, we'll move on to next step. Now we have to multiply with these numbers. Minus 20, 0, 20, 40, 60. These numbers we have to multiply with this number of workers column. So let's multiply here. Minus 20 into 12. Find the answer and tell me. 0 with 0 multiplied with any other number, we get 0. Here it is 6 into 20. Here it is 8 into 40. 10 into 60. Tell me the values. 20 into 12, it is minus 240, right? Okay, here it is 0. Here it is 120. And here it is 320. Here it is 600. What we have to do now? We have to add all this. This is a fx value. Fx means these are this minus 20, 0, 20, 40, 60. This we are considering as x. So what we have to do? We have to add all this number. What is sum of all this number? Sum of all this we are getting 800. Okay. Sum of this, tell me the total number of workers are working here. Sum of workers. Or F. How much it is? Is it 50? Okay. What you have to do now? We have to divide this 800 by 50. How much we'll get? Tell the answer fast. It will be 16. Okay. This is not our exact mean value because here we have assumed this 130 as a mean value. So next what you have to do? We have to add this number with our assumed mean value. Assumed mean value plus 16. What is our assumed mean value? It is 130 plus 16. So the answer is 146. This 146 our mean. Any doubt in this? Okay, fine. We'll move on to next one. The mean of 17th term is, sorry, the mean of 17 terms is 30. What is the new mean? If 5 is subtracted from each observation, there are 17 terms. That mean is 30. So Here in first one, they're telling that the each number is subtracted by 5. That means 30 minus 5. The answer will be 25. Here each number is added with 5. That means here it is 35. Same way, the each number is multiplied with 5. What is the answer? It is 150. Here the each number is divided by 5. The answer will be 6. Instead of here 17 terms, they may give 18 terms or any number of terms. Just you need to see this mean value and you have to add. If they give addition, if they tell to subtract, you just need to subtract, or you need to multiply, or you need to divide. Then now let's find the mean, variance and standard deviation. Try to solve. How to find mean? First we have to add all this number and divide by total number of observation. To find mean, what you have to do, you have to add all the numbers. What is total of this number? It is 54, right? Then we need to divide this 54 by total number of observation. How much observation are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 observations are there here. So 54 by 6 is 9. 9 is your mean value. Okay. Next, let's find the variance. To find variance, what you have to do is we need to subtract these numbers with the mean value. That means 10 one second. I'll copy this again. Okay. What is the mean value here? Mean is 5, right? Let's write it here. Mean equals, sorry, mean is 9 here. So what you have to do? We have to subtract this each number with 9. So 10 minus 9, it is 1. Same way, 9 minus 9, it is 0. 12 minus 9, it is 3. 10 minus 9, it is 1. Same way, 9 minus 9, it is 0. And 4 minus 9, it is minus 5. To find the variance, what we are doing is we are just subtracting this with mean value. Okay, then what you have to do is we need to square all these numbers. This all 1 0 3 1 0 5. This number we need to square. 1 square, we are getting it as 1. This 1 square we're getting 1, this 0 will be 0, and your 3 square it is 9. Let's square the value. Here it is 1 and here it is 0. Here minus 5 it is minus 5 to the power 2 it is 25. Then here we need to add all this number. We have to add, we have to get the sum of all the square numbers. 1 plus 3, so 1 plus 0 plus 9 plus 1 plus 25. How much it is? We get 36. 36 is the sum of all this number, right? To find variance, what you have to do? Again, we need to divide this 36 by total number of observation. Here total numbers, a number of observation are 6. So answer is 6. This is called your, this is your variance. Any doubt in finding variance? Okay, fine. We'll move on to find the standard deviation. We all know that the variance symbol is will be like, this is the variance symbol. We know that variance symbol is this and the variance value is this. To find standard deviation, what you have to do is the standard deviation symbol will be like this. That means root 6. The answer of standard deviation is root 6. The variance will be 6. This is the answer for standard deviation. The standard deviation value will never be minus. Will always be the positive number. Okay, fine. Now, what is the variance value here? Variance is 6 and standard deviation is root 6. Okay, we'll move on to next problem. Now let's find a median. Okay, let's see what is median. To find median, you'll get a data. First, we need to arrange all the observation in ascending order. Then, if the number isn't even, then we need to divide it equally. Okay, let's take an example. Let's take an odd observation number. Here, 2543987. Let's take it as an example. This first we need to arrange in ascending order. Then how many digits are there? Here 7 terms are there. So let us indicate these terms as n. To find median, what you have to do? You have to do this formula. You have to apply this formula. That means n is 7 here. So n plus 1 by 2. That means 8 by 2. We get 4. 4 means your fourth term. In this fourth term is this 5. So the median value will be 5. This is for odd numbers. If in case they have given the observation in even. Take an example. Here the observation are in even. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 numbers are there. First, what you have to do, you have to arrange in ascending order. Then to find the median, what you have to do, you have to take this formula n by 2. What is n here? Total number of observation. and n by 2 plus 1. Here there are 6 observations, right? In this we have to take, okay, what is n here? N is 6, right? And divide by 2 as a formula as told. Then that is third term. And again, you have to apply this formula. We'll get n by 2 plus 1, we get 4. Fourth term. Third term and fourth term. In this, after arranging in ascending order, this is our third term and this is our fourth term. What you have to do? We have to add third and fourth term and we have to divide by 2. Then the answer what we'll get, that is called our median. Okay, we'll solve the problem on this. Marks obtained by some students of a class are given. So find the mean for the given table. Okay. They have given the marks and they have given the total number of students. But here the number of marks obtained is not arranged in a ascending order. They have given in random way. So first what you have to do, you have to arrange in ascending order. So here I have arranged the marks and number of students according to that. Here 20, 29, 28, 33, 42, 42. This is they have given in random way. First we have to arrange. So I have arranged in ascending order. Same way for 20 student, what is the total number of, the marks obtained by 6. The marks obtained by this 6 members is 20. So I've written here. For 28 it is 12. Yes, this is 12. For 29 it is 8. For 33 it is 13 and 42 it is 1. Please check it once. For 20 it is 6. 26 students have scored 20 and 12 students have scored 28. 8 students have scored 29. 13 students have scored 33 and 1 student has scored 42. In this we have to find cumulative frequency. How to find cumulative frequency? Try to solve this. Take a note of this first. Okay, we'll go on to solve the problem. Yeah, cumulative frequency is you have to add this number with this number, the previous number. This is the first number, so you are writing it as 6. Then 6 plus 12, it is how much? 6 plus 12, it is 20. Sorry, 6 plus 12, it is 18. 18 plus 8, it is how much? 26. 26 plus 13, how much? 39. And here it is 140. Do you have any doubts in finding cumulative frequency? Just what I'm doing here is first digit we are adding with two numbers. For this there is no previous number, so I'm writing this as it is. Then we're adding this two and we are writing here, and we're adding all this 3 and writing here this 40. Sorry. Otherwise, add this and this will get this, add this and this will get this, adding this and this will get this, adding this and this will get this number. Okay. What is the total number here? The total number, it is total number of students. It is 40. This 40 should be same year because we are adding. So this and this should be equal. Okay. This 40. What is this? This is n, right? Total number of observation is denoted by n. Here the observation are 7. Same way, here the observations are 40. This 40 is even number. So what you have to do? 40 plus, sorry, 40 divided by 2. We get 28th term. Same way. Again, what you have to do? 40 divided by 2 plus 1. That means this is correct, right? We are using this formula called n by 2 to find the median. We have to, when it is even number, to find median we have to use n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1. Make a note of this. Same way, by applying this formula we are getting 28th term and 21st term. Here having any doubt? Okay. Having any doubt? Response? Having any doubt? Okay. See, from these 6 members have scored 20 marks, right? Okay, I'll write you. From 1 to 6. Okay. From 1 to 6 members have scored 20 marks. Then 18. Okay. From 7 to 18 members have scored 28 marks. Same way here. From 19 to 26 I've scored how much? 29 marks. Here from 27 to 39 students have scored 33 marks, and here only 40 alone have scored 42 marks. So this 20 and 21st student will lie between this number, right? Yes, right. So what is the value of 29? So this is your median. This will be your median. 29 marks will be your median. In case, for example, let's take this as, let's take this as 14, and here let it be 6. Then here it will be 14 plus 6, it will be 20, and 20 plus 6 will be 26. Okay, in this case 20th student will lies between this row. Let's change even this also. 7 to 20, 21 to 26. Okay, here they have given that 20 and 21st, 20th and 21st students. Here 20th student is lying between this row. That means 28. 28 marks. And another this 21st student is lying between this row. That is 29 marks, right? Obtained marks 29. So in this case, what you have to do, if it was in only one row, then we can directly write it the same number as your median. But here we are getting two numbers. So what you have to do, we have to add both this number, and we have to divide by 2. What will you get? 28 plus 29 by 2. 28 plus 29, it is 57. Divide by 2, we get 28.5. This will be your median, right? Okay, this answer is for previous for this one, and this answer is for this one, because I have changed the value here. Okay, any doubt in median? Sorry, any doubt in entire topic in statistics? Any doubt in statistic? Okay, we'll move on to next one. We'll move on to finding LCM and HCF. What is HCF here? HCF means highest common factor, LCM means lowest common factor, right? Okay. Now let's solve the problems on this. Find the HCF of 108, 360 and 600. Find the answer and tell me. Find the answer for HCF for the given numbers. Find the answer for this. Make it fast. Okay. Here we need to find the highest common factor. What you have to do? Here we need to find the HCF for individual number, right? Find the HCF first. Okay. For 108, what are the values we are getting? After doing HCF, what are the values we are getting? We'll get 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Okay. For 360, we'll get 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3, and 5. For 600, we are getting 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5 into 3. These are the values we are getting, right, when you are doing this method. Okay, this we can write it as 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 3. Same way we can write it here as 2 to the power 3 into 3 to the power 2 into 5. Here also you can write it as 2 to the power 3, 5 to the power 2 into 3. After finding the highest common factor, we'll get, what are the ion common factor in this? 2 into 2, right? See here, this 2, again this 2, and what are the common here? And 3. Only these are the common, right? 2 is common here, again 2 is common here, and 3 is common. 5 and 5 is not common, right? Yes. Then what is the answer? Answer is 12. A is the answer. A is the answer for the first one. Any doubt in this? Okay, we'll move on to second one. Try for this and tell me fast. In this, you have to find the highest common factor. Same way for 148. What are the numbers you're getting? It is 2 into 2 into 37. Then for 185, it is 5 into 37. What is the common value? What is the common number? 37 is the common number, right? This and this. So your HCF will be highest common factor. What is the common factor here? 37. 37 will be the answer. Find the answer for this. Make it fast. Find the answer for third one. Find the answer for the third one. Yes, Naresh, find the answer for the third one. What is the answer for the third one? The HCF will be 17. This is the answer for the third one. Same way, you have to calculate in this way. And find the answer for this also. Make this as a note for today. Find the answer for yourself. Okay, we'll move on to next. In this, how will you find the answer? You have to find least common factor. How will you find? What are the values you need to take in given numbers? What are the values you need to take in this? First, let's write it down. Okay, in this 2 square and in this 3 to the power 3, and here it's 2, which is the highest one. 2 cube, right? Take it down. 2 root. All right. Yeah. 2 root 3 into next digit 3 square, 3 and 3. The highest is 3 square. 3 root 2. Then into 1 minute. You have to take in this 3, you have to take this one. Then in 3, this is the highest one. We have to take this. In 5, which is the highest one, this is the highest one. For LCM, you have to take the highest one. Then the remaining is this 7. Here it is 7 square. This is the highest one, right? So you have to take this to solve it first. Yeah. In this, which is the remaining number, 11 is the remainder, right? So remaining number is 11. So even take even this also. Okay. Then multiply all this and tell me the answer. 2 to the power 3, it is 8 into 3 square, it is 9 into 5 square, it is 25 into 7 square, it is 49 into remainder again into 11. There is no power to 11, so take it as 11. So what is the answer? By multiplying all this number, we get 970200. That means this is our LCM. This is our LCM for this given numbers. Okay. Yes, you're right, Naresh. Find the answer for the sixth one. Find the LCM. Again, what you have to do? For 15, what are the digits we are getting? 3 into 5, right? While doing LCM. Yes. For 18, we are getting 2 into 3 into 3, right? For 19, sorry. For 24, what are the digits we are getting? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. For 27, what you are getting? 3 into 3 into 3, right? For 56, what are digits you are getting? 2 into 2 into 2 into 7. Got the same, right? You all got the same values, right? Okay. Now, what you have to do, you have to find least common factor. Okay. What is the answer? In this 2, this year 2, 1 minute. This 2, year 2, it is there. So we're taking as 2 because we have to take least common factor. Then again, see here 3, 3, 3. We have, so okay, let's finish for the 2. How many 2s are there? Here 1, 2, again here 2, again 3. So we have 2 times 2, sorry, 3 times 2. So take it in this way, and 3. 1 time, 2 time, 3 times. We have 3 times 3, and 5. Here only once we have 5, and here we have once 7. By multiplying all this number, what we are getting? What is the answer we're getting? 7560. In these values, we have to find least common factors and you have to write it down here. Then you have to multiply all this number and you will get the answer. Okay, any doubt in this? Yeah, yes. Yeah, D is right. This is the correct answer. Okay, we'll move on to next one. Try to solve this. Try solving this. See, they have given the HCF value of two number, it is 7, and their LCM is 210. And one of the number value also they have given, that is 35. We need to find the other number value. So what you have to do, let's take the other number value as X. Let other number be X. Okay. So what is the formula for this? We have to, the formula is, you have to, the product of number equals product of the HCF and LCM. You have to multiply the LCM and HCF and product of the number. Product of number. Product of number equals product of LCM and HCF. So what are the numbers here? One we know it is 35, another one we have taken it as X, right? So product means you have to multiply. One of the number it is 35 into the other number we don't know, we need to find that. So let us take it as X. So then what is the product, what is the LCM of this two number? LCM is 210 into HCF, it is 7. Here we need to find the other number. So what you have to do, X equals 210 into 7 divide by 35, right? What is the value you're going to get? By multiplying this 2 and dividing by 35, what is the value you're getting? We're getting 42. For this, 42 is the right answer. For this eighth one, try to solve logically. Okay, I'll read the question. 4 electronic devices make a beep after duration of 30 minutes, 1 hour, 1.5 hour, and 1 hour 45 minutes respectively. If all the devices beep together at 12 noon, At what time will they be together again? So in this, what you have to do is, first you have to find the LCM for all this. For 30, one first here it is 30 minutes, it's in minutes, and here it is in hours, and here it is hours and minutes. So what you have to do, first you have to convert this into minutes. We have to find the LCM for 30, and for 1 hour 30, 1 hour we can write it as 60 minutes, and 1 hour 30 minutes we can write it as 90 minutes, and 1 hour 45 minutes we can write it as 1 hour 5 minutes. We are converting into minutes. Okay, now let's find the LCM for each number. And this is 105 minutes. So what you have to do here, uh, 2 15s are right, and here it is 3 5s are. Okay, here it is 2 30s are, and 2 15s are. Again here it is 3 5s are. Same way, find the answer. Here it is again 2 45s are, 3 15s are, and here it is 3 5s are. Then here 3 35s are. Then 5 or 7 5s are. These are factors we are getting right. Okay, let's make a note of that. Let's write it down here. For 30, we are getting 2 into 3 into 5. For 60 minutes, we are getting 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. For 90 minutes, we are getting 2 into 3 into 3 into. This is 1 minute. This is 5. 3 5s are 15. This line is extra. Don't make it note of that. 3 5s are 15. And here 3 into 3 into 5. For 105, we are getting 3 into 7 into 5. Okay. Now let's find the common factor. Try to solve. I'll give you 1 minute to solve. Try to solve the common factors. Tell me the final answer. Okay. For this, we need to find the common factors, right? So least common factor. So what are the common factors here? This two, right? Let's write it here. 2 and 5. Sorry. 5 we have everywhere. So into 5 and 3. This 3. Then what are the numbers left out? 7. And here it is 2 is left out. Here 2 is left out. And here 3 is left out, right? Write it down. 2 into 3. These are the least common factors. So multiply all this. What is the total value you're getting by multiplying this number? Multiply 2 into 5 into 3 into 7 into 2 into 3. You're getting, what is the answer you're getting? 1260. This is the answer you're getting, right? 1260. These are in, this value is in minutes. Don't forget that. So when you come, but we need the answer in hours. So what you have to do, you have to divide this 1260 by 60. So we get 21. So it will be 21 hours. So at 12 o'clock p.m., noon means it's p.m., right? At 12 p.m., the electronic device has beeped. So at what time, again, all the four devices are beeping together, we need to find. So for this 12 hour, for this 12 o'clock, it's a 12 noon. So we need to add 21 hours to that, right? For 12 p.m., we need to add 21 hours. So what will be the answer? It will be 9 a.m. Right? So at 9 a.m., all the four electronic devices are going to beep. Any doubt in this? Any doubt in this? Make a note of this. Make a note of this steps. Yes. Make a note of this. We'll move on to next one. Okay. Find the answer for this. Try to solve this problem. Just find the answers and tell me. For this, you need to find the LCM for all this number 12, 15, 20 and 27. What are the values you are getting for 12? We are getting, for 12 we are getting 3 into 2 into 2. 3 2s are 6, 6 2s are 12. It is right. Then for 15, what are the values you are getting? 3 into 5. Okay. For 20, what are the values you are getting? 2 into 2 into 5. Right. For 27, we're finding the LCM. Okay. I'm writing down directly. For 27, whatever values we're getting, 3 into 3 into, this is a 9, 9 3s are 27. Okay. Now we need to find the smallest number which is exactly divisible by each one of the number. In this, which number is getting divided by this number? Okay. So what you have to do? Find the LCM for this. Find the LCM. I'll draw. What is the common here? What is common here? This 3, right? 3 and 5. Yes. And this 2 and this 2. Right? Then what are the remaining? This 2 is remaining. Then what is left out? This 3 into 3. You can write 3 into 3 or directly 9. Now multiply all this. Tell me the LCM value. We get 540. By multiplying this, we get 540. That means this is the answer. Okay. We'll move on to next one. Same way, find the answer for this. Find the answer for this two by your own. I'll tell the answer. First, what you have to do, you have to find the LCM for all these numbers. Okay. Then you have to add with 2. This LCM value will be, LCM will be 504. But they have given that it leaves, when it divide, it leaves the remainder of 2. So we have to add 2. So the answer will be 506. So this is the answer. Same way, find the least number which is divisible divided by 35, 45 and 55 and leaves a remainder 18, 28, 38 respectively. What you have to do, you have to subtract this number with this number. Same way this with 45 minus 28 and 55 minus 38. The difference will be how much? When you are subtracting 35 with 18, we are getting the difference of 17, right? Same way by between this and this, we are getting 17. Between this and this, we are getting 17. Okay. Then for this, we need to find the LCM. LCM for 35, 45, 55 will be LCM for 35, 45, 55 will be 3, 4, 6, 5. So here, this is not the exact answer. They're leaving the remainder of 18, 28, 38. So you should not directly minus the 18, or should not do directly minus with 28 or 38. You have to find the difference between this 35 and 18. We are getting 17. For between this and this also we are getting 17, and between this and this also we are getting 17. So you have to subtract this LCM value with 17. So then we are getting 3, 4, 4, 8. This is your final answer. Okay. Now let's move on to linear equation. Take this equation as 1 and this equation as 2. I'll solve the first one. 8x plus 5y equals 9. Take this as 1 minute. Equation A. Okay. Then 3x plus 2y minus 4, because instead of minus 4 you can write it as 4. No issue. This we can let us take it as equation B. So to subtract this equation, there should be a common digit. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this equation, multiply A equation with multiply A equation with 2. Multiply A equation by 2 so that we get what we'll get by multiplying equation by 2. Sorry, equation A by 2. 16x plus 10y equals 18. After multiplying with 2, we are getting this answer. Then what you have to do? You have to multiply this B equation with 5. Multiply B equation by 5. What we are getting? 15x plus 10y equals 20. These are the values we are getting after multiplying with 2 and 5. So what you have to do? You have to subtract this equation with this equation. So what we are getting of When you're subtracting equation A and A with B, you have to change. In linear equation, you have to change the sign. So this is plus 10 and this is minus 10. So this both will get cancelled. And 16x minus 15x, it is 1x equals 18 minus 20, it is 2. X will be minus 2. So this minus 2, we need to substitute in equation 2. We have to substitute x value. So what is our equation? 3x plus 2y equals 4. What is our x here? 3 into minus 2 plus 2y equals 4. Here it is minus 6. And take this 4 to this side, then it will become minus 4. And move this 2y to that side, then it will become minus 2y. So here minus 6 minus 4, it is minus 10 equals minus 2y. So minus minus will get cancelled. This minus minus will get cancelled. Y is equal to 10 by 2. It is 5. The answer is 5. A is the correct answer. Any doubt? Okay, we'll move on to next one. For first one, A is the correct option. Same way, we have to solve for the second one. For this equation, we have to multiply with 3, multiply by 3, and for this equation, we have to multiply by how much? Because we need a common digit to cancel. You have to multiply by 5. What is the answer we're going to get after multiplying this? There is no by here. If it's there also, no issue. Just we can solve. Okay. After multiplying, we are getting 15x plus 18y equals 13 3s, it is 39. Any doubt? Okay. Same way, we have to multiply this equation with 5. So 3 5s, it is 15x. Why we're multiplying means we have to get the common number so that we can cancel easily. Here before there was no common digits, so we're multiplying with 3 and 5, so we're getting 15 as common in both the equation. $20y and it equals 35. So now what you have to do, you have to subtract, right? So while subtracting, the chain will get changed in the below equation. If it is plus, it becomes minus. If it is minus, then it will become plus. Here this is plus and this is minus, then this both digits get cancelled. Then 18 minus 20, it is minus 2y equals 4. 39 minus 35, it is 4. So y equals this, we have minus here and here it is plus. So we are writing 4 minus 4 by 2. Then the y answer will be minus 2. That means C is the right answer for this. Okay, we'll move on to next one. Try to solve this. First, find the answer for this 2. Then find the first we have to find the equation between this 2 and we have to find the equation between this 2. Okay, so let's do now. Okay, in this, 1 minute. The same thing I have written here. So we have to do cross multiplication, this and this. You have to multiply this 3 with this digits and 2 with this digits. So what we are getting after multiplying 3x plus 3y minus 24, right? Same way we have to multiply this 2 with this equation. What we are getting? 2x plus 4y minus how much? 28. Yes. So 3x minus 2x we get x, right? And 3, 1 minute, I'll write all the equation one as a 2x plus 3y minus 4y equals 24 minus 28. This x and y digits I'm taking this side and here this digit I'm taking to the right side. Okay. So 3x minus 2x it is x. 3y minus 4y it is minus y. And 24 minus 28 it is minus 4. This is the one equation we got from these two equation. Let's take this as equation A. Now we need to find the equation between this and this. Just we need to same way, 1 minute. We have to do cross multiplication here. What we are getting when we do the cross multiplication with the 11 to this number, we'll get 11x plus 22y minus 14 into 11. It is how much? 154, right? Okay. Then we have to cross multiply with this 3 with this equation, that we get 9x plus 3y minus 36. Any doubt in this? Then what you have to do, this x and y digit, we have to take it on left side and this digit to the right side. So 11x minus 9x plus 22y minus 3y. Then this 154 to the that side, 154 minus 36. Then 9x, 11x minus 9x we get as 2x. Then 22y minus 3x, sorry, 22y minus 3y we are getting plus 19y, right? Then equals 154 minus 36, it is 118. Then what we are getting? This letter here we got equation 1, and let us consider this as equation B or 2, equation 2. Anything is fine. That what you have to do, you have to make any one of the number in common. So here for this, or for this equation, we are multiplying with 2. Equation 1 we need to multiply by 2, so that we get 2x minus 2y equals minus 8. Because we need to cancel, right? So that there should be any common number. For that we need to multiply. So here in linear equation, if there while subtracting, this plus sign will change to minus, and plus sign will change to minus, and here also it changes to minus. Plus 2x and minus 2x get cancelled. This is minus 2y plus 19. Sorry, this is minus 2y, and this plus 19 is changed to minus 19. So it is minus 21y, right? Then here minus 18 minus 118, it is minus 126. So y equals, minus minus will get cancelled, 126 divided by 21. So we get 6. The y value will be 6. 6 is the answer. Same way, solve the answer for this equation. Take this as equation 1 and this as equation 2. We need something to be common to cancel, right? For that, what you have to do, we have to multiply this equation with 3. Here, this equation, we can, this equation, we can write in the form of, this equation, we can write in the form of minus 4x plus 3y equals 4. Take this equation as 2 and this equation as 1, and multiply this equation with 3, so that 3y, and here it becomes 3. So this and this will get cancelled after multiplying with 3. Okay, I'll do that. So this 2x will change to, when you are multiplying with 3, it changes to 6x plus 3y equals 24. Take this value, substitute here, and we need to subtract this two equation. After that, we are getting x value. X value will be 2. This x value 2 should be substituted in above equation, any one of the equation. Then we'll get y value. We'll get y value as 4. The answer will be this. Same way, you need to solve this. You have to take this x to left side. Then the equation will be like minus x plus y equals 3. Otherwise, what you have to do, just we need to find the x value, right? So, y value. Directly what we can do is take this value. Okay. Two x plus 3. What is y here? X plus 3, right? Y value is x plus 3, right? So substitute this in this equation so that 2x plus 3x plus 9 equals 29. Why you are doing in this method is because they have they have said to find the x value. So directly we are substituting this y value to this equation. So what is the answer we're getting? Here it is 5x equals 29. This 9 is going to the left side. So it is minus 9. 5x equals 29 minus 9, it is 20. So x equals how much? 4. Any doubt in this? Answer is, this is the final answer. Same way, you need to find the value of h. What you have to do is, this 5, take this 5 as x. Let us imagine that. See, this 5 is as x and this h is as y. Then they are given this equation. Then we need to find h. Try this. In x place, we have to substitute this 5 value. Wait, I'll solve it here. Two x, what is the x value? This 5 is x, so you're writing this 5 here. Then plus y is here h, equal minus 6 equals 0. So 10 plus h equals 6. So h equals 6 minus 10. So H equals minus 4. Minus 4 is the answer for this. You're just substituting the value. You're taking this 5 comma h as x and y, and you're substituting x and y value here, and you're finding the h value here. Find the answer for 7th one. Here we no need to multiply with any numbers because here we have a common number 4x and 4x. In this case, no need to multiply, just directly subtract with one another. So here, let's do subtraction method directly. What you are doing when you are subtracting, this plus sign and minus sign will get changed. This plus 4x and minus 4x will cancel. 6y plus 2y, it is 8y. 32 minus 4, it is 28. So the answer is 28. Check the answer here. There is no 28 in this option, so the answer will be none of this. Okay, we'll move on to next last one. Method of A1 by B1, sorry, A1 by A2 equals B1 by B2 equals C1 by C2. Okay, here A1 and A2 is this and this are A1. 4 is A1, 10 is A2, 7 is B1, H is B2, and 10 is C1, 25 is your C2. Here we need to find the H value. So what we have to do? Let's take only two value. First I'll substitute all the values. 4 by 10 equals 7 by H. Why H means they have not given any value here. So it is H. Then 10 by 25. So we need to find the value of H. So what you have to do? Just take last these two equations. This 7 by, just take these two equation is enough. 10 by 25. This we can write it as 5 2s are 5 5s are. So 7 by H equals 2 by 5. But here we need to find the H value. What you have to do? H equals, just send this H to this side. So it will be 7 into 1 minute. 7 into 5 divided by 2. That means 35 by 2. This is your H answer. Check the option. Yes, this is your answer. Okay, we'll move on to next topic. Just make a note of this. We are moving to area and mensuration. Just make a note of this or take the screenshot of this formula. Based on this formula, we are going to solve the problems. Okay. What is the area of square with side length of 5 centimeter? What is the answer? Okay, first let's see the formula. To find the area of square, this is the formula. What is the side length here? 5. So we have to do it square. 5 square it is 25. This will be your answer. Okay, we'll move on to next one. Okay, we'll check for second one. A rectangle has a length of 10 centimeter and breadth of 6 centimeter. Find its area. The rectangle area, the formula is length into breadth. So it is 10 into 6. So answer will be 60, right? 60 centimeter square. So answer will be this. Okay. We'll move on to the third one. The base of triangle is 8 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. We need to find the area. So the formula of triangle is this one. Area is equals of 1 by 2 into base into height. They have given the base value is 8 centimeter and height value is 5 centimeter. So 8 into 5 is 40 and we need to divide by 1 into 2. So 40 by 2 it is how much? Substitute the value. 1 minute. For this, substitute the value 1 by 2 into what is the base here? 8 centimeter and height is 5 centimeter. So after calculating what you are getting, we are getting 8 5s are 40. 40 divided by 2 it is 20. 20 centimeter cube. Because you are multiplying in centimeter. Here also there is a centimeter and here it is also centimeter. So centimeter into centimeter, we get centimeter square. Okay, we'll move on to next one. For this is the answer. A circle has radius of 7 centimeter. What is its area? We need to find the area, pi r square. Pi value is 22 by 7, right? Substitute the value 22 by 7 into what is radius here? 7 square. 7 square is 49. 49 into 22 by 7. What is the answer? What is the pi value? Pi value it is 3.142. Right? So 3.142 into 49. We are getting 153.86. Right? Yes. This will be the answer. We'll move on. What is the main thing is you have to remember this formula to find the area. Area means there will be a common question which is in 2D shapes. Mensuration means it will be a 3D shapes. Okay, we'll move on to next type. Okay, a parallelogram has a base of 12 centimeter and height of 7 centimeter. Find its area. Same way we need to find the area. Okay. What is the formula here of a parallelogram? Base into height 22. Sorry, here base is 12 centimeter and height is 7 centimeter. So What is the answer? 12 sevens are 84, right? Yes. This is your answer. A trapezium has parallel side of 8 centimeter and 12 centimeter and its height is 5 centimeter. Find its area. Where is the formula? Here is the formula, right? Let's directly substitute the value to the formula and find the answer. Okay, we will substitute the value. Here 1 by 2 into sum of parallel side. What is sum here? What is parallel side here? The parallel sides are 8, 12. Right? This we need to add. The sum means we need to add 8 plus 12. It is 20. Into, what is height here? 5. Here everything is in centimeter. So answer should be in centimeter square. So 2 ones are 2, 10s are 10 into 5, it is 50. And centimeter, we get centimeter square. These are the few questions in area. Okay, next we'll move on to mensuration. These are the problems. First, take a picture of this formula. Based on this formula, we'll solve the problems. Mensuration, we'll find it in 3D shapes like cube, spheres, cylinders, and cones. These will be in 3D shapes, right? And this area will be in 2D shapes like square, rectangle, triangle, circle, trapezium, and parallelogram. First main thing is you need to remember the formula to find area and mensuration. Okay, first let's move on to the first one. A cube has a side length of 4 centimeter. Find its total surface area. Where is the formula? It's here, right? We'll solve. Looking into the formula. Okay. A cube has side length of 4 centimeter. Find its total surface area. Your surface area formula is this 6a square. So what is A here? 4 is your A, right? 4 square into 6. What is the answer? 4 square into just substitute A value of 1 minute. 6. What is A? It is 4 square. So 6 into 16. That means 96. So 96 centimeter square because everything is in centimeter. If they ask for volume, then the formula will be A cube. They're asking for surface area, so we have to use this formula. Okay, we'll move on to next one. A cuboid has dimension of 5 centimeter into 3 centimeter, 2 centimeter. Find its volume. What is the volume formula? This is your volume formula. So what you have to do, you have to just substitute the value, that is 5 into 3 into 2. It is 5 3 is a 15, 15 2 is a 30. Here it is not centimeters square, here it is centimeter cube, because for all this value there is a centimeter. So it is 3 times, right? So it should be 30 centimeter cube. Okay, next we'll for this the answer is this one. Okay, next we'll move on to eighth one. Find a curved surface area of a cylinder with a radius of 3 centimeter and height of 10 centimeter. Try to find the answer for this. Try to find the answer for this by using the cylinder formula. We need to find your curved surface. Curved surface formula is this one. So what are the values you're going to put, substitute your, what you have to write 2 as it is. Pi means 22 by 7. We all know that pi value is 22 by 7. What is radius here? It is 3 centimeter, and into, what is the formula? H is your 10. So what is the answer you're going to get? Just cross multiply everything and tell the answer. 2 into, what is the pi value? 22 by 7. It is 3.142, right? What is the answer? Here we are getting somewhat like 188.58. So what will be the answer in the given option? Which is the near one? Because we are getting in decimal, right? So this is the near one. So this will be the answer. Okay, we'll move on to finding the next one. Okay. A cone has a radius of 4 centimeter and height of 9 centimeter. Find its value. Sorry, find its volume. The volume formula is 4 by 3 pi r cube. So substitute all the values in this and find the answer. Just tell me the final answer for this by using the formula. Okay, let's substitute the value. This is a formula we are going to use because we need to find the volume. So what 4 we have to 4 by 3 we have to write as it is because it's in formula, and pi value, it is 22 by 7. We can write directly like 3.4143 into, what is r here, radius is, okay, sorry, here I have substituted in sphere, but we need to substitute in cone because a cone has a radius of 4 centimeter. So substitute the value in cone formula. So we need to find this, right? 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. Here r is, radius is 4. It should be squared. What is h here? 9. Now find the answer and tell me the answer. Tell me the answer fast. We get the answer as 150.85. So which one is the answer here? This one. This is the answer. Okay, we'll move on to the next one. Find the surface area of a sphere with radius of 6 centimeter. In this, we need to find the surface area. So we need to substitute the values in this surface area problem. So let's substitute the values in this formula. For pi is 22 by 7 into r square, it is, what is r here? It is 6, right? 6 square. So answer is answer will be 4, 5, 2.57. When you're taking this old decimal value, we're getting this number. So which number is near to this? This one, right? If you take this, instead of 22 by 7, if you take directly as 3.142, then you get the answer as this third option. Okay, for this question, this option is the right one. Okay, any doubt in any four topics? Okay guys, today we have completed 1 minute. Okay guys, today we have completed all the 4 topics which I have told before the class, that is statistics, linear equation, area and mensuration, HCF and LCM. Okay guys, thank you. We'll end the session now.